It is so fucking heavy. Hold on, let me put the shit on the ground. I can't. I'm like, hi guys, in today's video, I am super excited to review a pair of shoes that I've been eyeing for a while now, and they are the Bottega Veneta black and brown tire boots. You know how much I love a good pair of shoes, a good pair of boots, and I believe that these belong to a collection by Daniel Lee when he was the creative director. Before we dive into this video today, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, everything will be in the description box below. Hit the bell button also, and yeah, let's get started. Ooh. Oh my god. So first thing first, let's talk about the packaging. Bottega Veneta always deliver on the unboxing experience. So the boots come in this iconic green Bottega box, and I love how designer brands always pay attention to every little detail, even down to the packaging. I mean, if you charge customer that much, then I think the packaging has to be pretty, right? So when you get the shoes, it will come in this box, and inside the box, of course, you get the dust bag. It is so fucking heavy. Hold on, let me put the shit on the ground. I can't. I'm like... Now let's take a closer look at the boots. So these are the black and brown tire Chelsea boots, and they are absolutely stunning. The colorway is a mix of black and brown. I would say this is like a coffee brown color, which gives them this like very unique and versatile look. And I know this comes in like many other colors, but to be honest, I really like this colorway, and they are perfect for transitioning between seasons. So like I mentioned earlier, these boots are a part of Bottega Veneta's tire boots collection by Daniel Lee, and they are inspired by the tread of a tire. You can see here with the sole, you know, it has this chunky rug look to it, and it's such a cool contrast to the sleek polished upper of the boot. So the upper is made from vegetable tan leather, which requires more time and labor than chrome tanning. And the leather is very smooth looking, and also the texture is just as smooth and has this subtle sheen to it. The inside is lined with soft leather as well, so they are super comfortable right out the box. One of the standout features of these boots is the elastic side panels, which make them easy to slip on and off. They also have this pull tab at the back of the shoe, which is a very nice little detail that adds to the overall functionality of the boot. But to be honest, I don't think you're supposed to use this for anything. It's just to add a little detail. Now, let's talk about the fit and comfort of these shoes. I went with my usual size, which is a 39, and they fit perfectly. They do run true to size, so I recommend sticking to your normal size when ordering. And the boot has a rounded toe, which gives your feet plenty of room to breathe, and the chunky rubber sole provides a good amount of support, but they're very heavy. I mean, I'm still trying to catch on my breath after holding that shoe box for like 5 seconds. Now, let's talk about the price. So these boots retail for $1,300, which is definitely on the higher end, but I got them on Essence for only $338. Yes, I really got these for that price. It was during the winter sale, and I think it's because these are out of season, but I honestly don't care, and they will never go out of style, or maybe, I don't know, maybe they will. So, are these boots worth it? In my opinion, yes, but only if you got them around the same price as I did. I would not pay full price for these. $1,300 is a little bit too much, if you know what I mean. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on social media for more fashion content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!